Hello from your team over at Black Diamond Radio. Today we want to talk about cleaning and sanitizing your Black Diamond radios and your earpieces. We're going to start with the CE240 radio. You're going to pull the volume and the channel knobs off with a pair of pliers. Use a brush to remove the debris around the volume and the channel knob. Reattach your knobs and then spray down the CE240 or wipe it clean with the sanitizer of your choice. All of our radios are water resistant, so you will not harm the unit when you wipe it down. The CE420, same thing. You're going to remove the channel and volume knob, brush away any debris, and then reattach your knobs. Spray down the radio or wipe it clean with the sanitizer of your choice. We'll move on to the CE450 and the D450 radio. With these radios, we do ask that you do not attempt to remove the channel knobs. Just spray down the radio and wipe it clean. Cleaning your coiled tube earpieces is very important. You're going to unscrew the coiled tube. Alcohol or sanitizer will shorten the lifespan of the coiled tube or the semi-custom ear molds. Spray down the earpiece, wipe it down with the sanitizer of your choice. All of these earpieces are water resistant, just like the radios. Reattach your coiled tube by screwing it into the earpiece housing. All of the other earpieces that are not the coiled tube, the ear hook style, just simply spray or wipe them down. We want to thank you for your business. If you have any questions or concerns, if you need equipment, please give us a call at 1-800-711-7317. Thank you.